ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. You want to see how we can look for chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned how we can look for trade since the price was within this move. And whoever get the trade, they should, after we see the price is not breaking, almost 3 hours we have here, that means they shouldn't be in the trade. They should take out the trade. Even right now, if they get the trade, they should take out in the small loss because Bitcoin could break the previous top based on the small correction, but the ETH couldn't. And still we want to see whether we can look for buy or this is the correction for price to drop. Okay, so we can expect the price to give us one more drop. That's mean still we can expect the price. I mean, we get the flat. Okay, now if I move to 15 minute, we want to see what we have based on 15 minute. We don't have any trade set up. The only thing is, how about we put this one as an internal running flat as the first correction, get one move up, then the price turn to a deeper correction for bigger. Okay, that means if there is a continuation, will be as a corrective. When we have the continuation as a corrective, we need to be quite careful because the price can drop. And the best thing is, if we want to look for buy, let the price drop, then we see the flat. If the price couldn't break the previous low, then the reversal from there we can look for buy. Buying from here is not really good idea, even if the price continue from here. If the price continue from here, wait for the breakout of this correction, then the next flag of correction we can look for buy. Okay, because the price is couldn't break the previous top, and we have nothing else to discuss based on 1 hour chart. And if you wants to, I mean, if you get a trade, then from there I will highlight how high it can go and what's the target. And if I move to daily chart, it's still, sorry, if we move to daily chart, it's still we're looking for this one. We want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. Okay, because we mentioned we're looking for buy, but we didn't get any trade setup. And right now, if the price, as we mentioned, consolidate here for a longer time, mostly we can expect the price to drop. Okay, maybe this is not the start of the up move. As we can see, the price is consolidating, and even if you move to 1 hour chart, it couldn't break the previous top. Okay, as I mentioned, if the price continue from here, just let it go. We wait for the next flag of correction, and the best thing is this means we cannot buy from here. It doesn't mean we can. Maybe I just corrected. It doesn't mean we cannot buy from here. It depends on the strategy the traders they use. Okay, but for me, what I want to suggest, let the price drop, then reversal from there. We take the trade for buy, or if we see the continuation, we confirm the breakout of this correction, then from there we look for the next correction. That's my next trade setup, because still we can look at this one as expanding flat for the price to drop. And if we see the continuation with the correction of flag, this is where we can confirm for the price to drop. And right now, we cannot look for buy, and we just wait and see how the price can consolidate here. And mostly if there is a continuation as a corrective move, as I mentioned, based on forward chart, the price can drop. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.